Let's be honest. First time abroad, hunu huncha bhane sabailai, you'll feel oucha. Maybe I need this too. Result? Overweight baggage, stress, and extra fees before the flight. In this video, I'll show you smart luggage hacks to save space, money, and sanity for your long-term stay abroad. Let's pack like a pro. Rule number 1. Don't just pack randomly. Banao ek checklist. Documents, clothes, gadgets, sabai category ma divide garera lekhnus. Once you see everything in front of you, you won't overpack unnecessary stuff. App ma list rakhera track garna pani saknu hunche. Google Keep, Notion, or even Mobeeco notes section for students abroad. Every airline has different weight rules. 25 kilo, 30 kilo, or 35 kilo. Yo overlook gardanai many students overweight fee turchen. Always check official airline website before packing. Ek chodi extra baggage book Garda Pachi Airport Mistress Hudaina. Yo hack worldwide proven cha. Rolling your clothes saves space and prevents wrinkles. Heavy items like jeans tal raknus, light items top ma. Vacuum bags use garna sakna huncha for bulky jackets. Travel smart, not heavy. Essentials first. Passport, visa, offer letter, admission docs, prescriptions. Sab ek waterproof folder ma rakhnus. Carry on ma rakhera easily access karna milne bananas. Remember, documents, designer shoes. If you're flying to cold countries like Canada or Finland, layer smart. Ek choti 2 jacket carry karne bhanda ek multi-layer hoodie pakao. Light, warm, and space-saving. Flight ma lagcha chiso bhanda ni kamma auncha. Electric shock matra hoina. Cultural shock pani avoid garna. Different countries use different plugs and voltages. Buy a universal adapter and power bank before you fly. Laptop, phone, headphones. Sab charge raknu essential cha. Don't carry family-sized toothpaste. Use travel bottles. Basic items jail destination ma kinna sakincha. So first week matra ko stock pakao. Leak-proof zip bag ma rakhnus. No mess, no stress. Yo one kit lifesaver ho. Snacks for jet lag, local SIM card, a bit of cash and emergency contacts. First week abroad ma sabnaya huncha. Yo kitli life easy banauncha. So to recap, checklist, no weight limit, roll clothes, essentials first layer, smart tech ready, travel toiletries, first week kit. Follow these 8 steps and you'll save money, space, and energy for what really matters, your new journey abroad. Packing abroad doesn't have to be stressful. It's about planning smart and keeping calm. Download Mobeeco app for more study abroad guides and verified student tips. Your journey starts with clarity and a well-packed bag.